captured. Team Blue Lightcycle Run upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward. Initiate in 3, 2, 1. First energy gate captured. Second energy gate. 3. 4. 5 captured. Congratulations, Caesars. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
Then have taken over. Your new directive, spread my code throughout the grid. Do so or be derezzed. Launch in 3, 2, 1. First gate captured. Second gate. Gate 3. Ignore them. Keep going. 4. 3 more gates. Excellent work. The grid is now mine.
Negative. Malicious code neutralized.
No!
Great work, Team Blue. Your run helped us track and eliminate